Do you want to start a YouTube channel but you don't know where to actually start from? Well, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to know to start a successful YouTube channel today. From picking your niche, your channel name, to filming your first few videos. Let's get you from 0 subscribers and 0 views to YouTube success. My name's Waka and we are the Minority Millionaires, helping each other reach our dream of financial freedom. Hey folks, I hope you're all well and staying safe. Today, I'm going to make sure there are no excuses holding you back from starting a YouTube channel today. And to make sure of that, we will be going through what niche you should choose when starting a YouTube channel, what your channel name should be, whether you need to be on camera or not, and what your first few videos idea should be. Plus, I'm doing 2 $25 cash giveaways. This may help you start your own YouTube channel or just buy better equipment. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down below where you are in your YouTube journey. Remember to watch until the end of the video for more information of the giveaway. So, the first step is to decide what your channel will be about. This is a very important aspect as it will determine what you're going to make videos about. The reason you don't want to just make random videos about a lot of different niches is because your channel will most likely not be successful if you do this. YouTube just would not know who to recommend your videos to, and this is an important aspect to become successful on YouTube. However, I don't want you to have analysis paralysis by overthinking about which niche you should pick, where you don't end up actually making a decision. So to help you decide, let's first start with what you're passionate about or what you're good at. If you think you aren't good at anything or aren't really passionate about anything, well, you're not alone there. A lot of people think this when they're first starting out. So I'm going to give you a few niches that might help you jumpstart this process and help you decide what you want to make videos on. However, these will be more general. It's up to you to make it personal to yourself. Firstly, gaming. You might be really good at games, or if you're not, you might just love to play them. Either of these things are fine, but they take you down different routes. For example, if you're really good at games, then you can make a montage of your gameplays or even show off your skills. However, if you aren't actually that good at gaming, then instead you can make videos that help people. For example, if you're playing the latest Call of Duty, you could perhaps show secret spots that other people might not have noticed or give information on different weapons that the viewers might not know about. I know people that have become very successful doing this. Another way you could make videos without actually being good is by just being entertaining. This is where you show your personality while playing the game. People enjoy watching these type of videos as well. I know someone who gained 1 million subscribers in just 3 months from gaming videos, and it was just his personality that allowed this. Another niche example could be cooking. You could be an awesome chef even though all you've done is cooking at home. Don't underestimate yourself. Like in the previous example, there are various ways of going about the videos. For this example, you would need to enjoy cooking, and cooking is a skill that you get better the more you do. Not only that, if you're making videos on cooking, then you would want to try out new recipes and try out new things. It is a simple video to make as you will be simply commenting on what you are actually doing and what you are making. There are a lot of people that have become very successful by making these type of videos. Okay, so before we move on to our next niche example, we need to consider one thing. Do you want your face to be on camera or not? You don't actually have to be on camera if you don't want to. There are a lot of people that are very successful that never show their face on camera. Now there are advantages and disadvantages to not show your face on camera, or vice versa. If you aren't showing your face and are making videos with just your voice, then you do add a bit of mystery to the channel, where people are intrigued to see what you may actually look like. But understand that YouTube is a video platform, so you will have to play something in the background if you're just using your voice. An advantage to show your face on camera is that you will build a relationship with your audience much faster. This is mainly because if someone can see your face, they get a quicker connection as opposed to just hearing their voice. The disadvantage of not showing your face is that you may not be able to do videos of some type of niches. There aren't that many you can't do. For example, gaming or cooking niche mentioned above don't actually require you to show your face at all. But the next niche I'm mentioning, you would generally need to show your face. So, a niche that is really good and lucrative one to get into is beauty and makeup. Obviously, you would need to see the person applying the makeup and seeing the result in the video. Otherwise, it won't be that great of a video. Now you may think you need a lot of money to buy the products to review and use, but you really don't. There are more people in your position than you think. If you generally apply more cost-effective makeup, then use that in your videos. The amount of girls that actually use the more inexpensive makeup is substantial. Plus, you would become instantly relatable. I have seen girls applying the more cost-effective makeups and still look like supermodels. So if you have that skill, then you should really share it. Now, I don't know that much about makeup, but I do know there are many aspects and layers to it which are all great video ideas. So moving on to another niche, another good one is fitness. So if you're a gym enthusiast and know about different diets or workouts and can show how to do or perform the exercises with good form, then you should definitely make the videos about it. Again, this is one where you would need to show yourself, mainly because people need to see that do you practice what you preach. But the point is, there are so many niches you could make videos on. I'm just going to list some examples: fishing, camping, hunting, cars, politics, talking about news stories, and much, much more. Just think about what you enjoy, or at least what you enjoy looking at, watching, doing, and see if you can talk about it. Okay, so you've decided on a niche now. It's time to pick a channel name. What will you be called and what will people know you by? This should generally be related to your niche, especially in the beginning. This is because it helps people find your videos. Let's say I'm making a cooking related channel and I call myself Waka's Wacky Waffles. People will be much more interested in clicking on my channel than if I just had my name, as it gives you an indication of what the channel is about without even needing to go and watch the videos. But this will make people curious as to what the videos are about, so you will have more relevant people coming to your channel. As a result, people interested will come to watch your videos to see what you're actually about, and a higher chance for them to stay. Once you have a following built up and are growing organically, then you can change it to your own name if you really want to. Nevertheless, give your channel name some thought, but don't let it stop you from starting a channel. You can change it at any time, so you don't want to panic over the name. Just remember, things will evolve as your channel grows. After you've decided on channel name, make sure to create a nice appealing logo for it. This is as important as the name. Okay, so you have your niche, your channel name, and you're ready to make your first video. So what should you do? Well, the first thing we need to do is research on what are people actually looking for, what the search volume is like, and what the competition is like. One thing you need to understand is if you're just considering making lifestyle vlogs, then it's going to be very difficult for you to be successful on YouTube, unless you have a very interesting lifestyle. This is because generally people aren't really that interested in seeing what other people are doing unless they are someone the person already follows or is intrigued by. Your first few videos will need to be ones where you give a lot of value to the viewers. You need to make videos on what people are searching for. For example, let's say you have made a beauty and makeup channel. Some video ideas may be top 10 foundations for under $20 or top 5 eyeliners for under $10. Again, I don't really know much about beauty and makeup, but you get the idea. People love lists, so if you're able to make videos with lists such as top 10s or top 5s, etc., people enjoy it, as it gives a sense of satisfaction going down lists. So in our example, I would note down the next 10 videos I will be making with a list of different beauty products that I recommend. This can be applied to any niche. For example, if it was a fishing niche, top 5 baits for particular fishes, etc. Before you start though, I need you to get your frame of mind in the right place. A lot of people may tell you that it's not worth starting a YouTube channel as it's completely saturated. I'll tell you something, YouTube is not saturated at all. It can't be, because everyone is different. Everyone has something different to offer, which is their personality. For example, let's say you're making gaming videos and I make the same videos. Both will be completely different, as long as we both show our personalities. You've seen how many Call of Duty videos there are. It's the same game, but people watch their favorite personalities. It's the same with everything else. If you want motivation though of how much money you could actually make as a small YouTube channel, then click on the video above. You will be pleasantly surprised. So, what are you waiting for? Start your channel today. Finally, to ensure you get the best start on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I will be coming out with a lot more videos to help you succeed. Once you have subscribed, make sure to like and comment down below to enter the $25 cash giveaway. I will announce the first winner in 2 weeks, so make sure you keep watching. The winner can be picked from any video, so the more videos you like and comment on, the higher your chances of winning. Thanks for watching, have a great day, stay safe and see you next time.